Hi everyone, welcome to the Droid G channel. Today's video will explain to you how to fix Android phone won't update. Android OS updates are one of the most valuable features of an Android phone. Every time Android is updated, your phone gets new features, security patches, and many underlying improvements. The purpose is to give you a better user experience, so it will need to be upgraded from time to time to help correct errors and provide new features. At present, basically every Android manufacturer is modifying its own functions, skins, etc., so that people have more choices. But what if your Android phone fails to install a system update? You can continue watching this video and we will tell you the answer. This video is applicable to mobile phone models including Huawei, Samsung, Xiaomi, Redmi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, and HTC. Please be patient and watch this video. I hope it can help you solve the problem of Android won't update. Your Android phone may experience Android phone won't update in the following situations. For example, Android phones cannot be updated after changing the phone number. Or software update interrupted. No update is available for your device at this time. Please try again in 24 hours appears on the phone screen. Or your device won't update but when you check it always tells you that the device has been updated. Or when you click the continue button after pausing the update, the button at the bottom says please wait, and there will be no further operations. Or the Android phone cannot be updated when the SIM card is not inserted. Or it is always in the loading state when downloading updates, and then it prompts that the updates cannot be downloaded. Or out-of-date software but no updates available. Or it may prompt you that there is a version to be updated, but the Android device isn't receiving updates when checking for software updates. Why Android phones don't get updates? There are many reasons for Android update failure. The most common reason is that Android cannot be updated due to unstable network. Also, your Android phone may not have enough power to support the completion of the Android system update. If this is the case, your phone should give you a charging prompt. Or your phone has insufficient storage space and cannot support updating and installing a new operating system. Or maybe your Android phone is too old and doesn't support newer Android versions. What to do when your phone stops getting updates? Failed Android updates can produce various error messages, depending on your phone model and the version of Android it's running. Fortunately, there are many how to fix Android won't update and you can fix this problem without taking complicated measures. So when your Android mobile device isn't updating, you just need to be patient and try the method in the video. If you think this video is good, you can subscribe, like or leave a message to tell us which method helped you solve the problem. Method 1 is to check the internet connection. Why is my phone not updating? Network problems may be something we tend to overlook. When updating the Android system, especially when the Android system adds new features, the size of the download package you need may be larger than 1 GB. So your internet is crucial. It directly affects whether you can update and download Android system. You need to ensure that you are properly connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data and can access the internet normally. If you don't know if the internet is available, you can open Google or YouTube on your phone and try the search and watch functions on their website. If the internet is fine, then go ahead and try the next method. Method 2 is to charge your phone. Why can't I update my Android version? Installing system updates often takes some time. In other words, if your Android phone does not have enough power to complete the update installation, it may not be able to install the update. Normally, in order to prevent your phone from shutting down during the update process, you need to keep the power of your phone above 50% before installing the system update. Or you can connect your phone to a charger and keep it plugged in to ensure your Android phone doesn't run out of juice. Method 3 is to check the storage space. Insufficient storage space can also be the reason why Android update isn't installing. This reason is probably one of the most common reasons for update failure. Because it is like downloading videos, music, documents, apps, downloading anything requires enough storage space on your device. So you need to check the storage space of your phone to see if this is the reason. First, you need to open the phone settings, find and click General Management in the phone settings, enter the General Management interface and click Storage. Check the storage interface to see if your space is less than 15% or less. If so, free up storage space or delete unnecessary files or upload some files to the cloud. Once the space is increased, try installing updates again. Method 4 is to restart your Android phone. Software glitches or background applications may cause your Android devices not to receive updates. Restarting the phone can solve many problems. Restarting the phone will release some temporarily stored data and cache. If your Android phone has not been restarted for a long time, this will cause too much cached data and affect the failure of updating the Android system. So you may just need to restart your phone and try the installation again. To restart your phone, press and hold the phone's key combination to force restart. The key combination used in the video to force restart the Samsung phone is the power button and the volume down button. Please press and hold the key combination to force restart your phone for 10 to 15 seconds. When the mobile phone brand logo appears on the screen, you can let go, your phone will automatically restart, and then try to install and update the Android system again. Method 5 is to install the update in safe mode. If none of the above solutions apply to you, at this time, you can also try installing system updates in safe mode. Android phones have no third-party applications or services running in safe mode and will not be interfered by external factors. Next, follow the steps below to put your Android into safe mode. 1. Please press and hold the power button until the power options appear. 2. Click and hold the shutdown icon in the power options until the green safe mode option appears on the screen. 3. Click on the green safe mode option. Your phone should immediately reboot into safe mode after clicking. 4. After entering safe mode, please open Settings and find Software Updates in the Settings interface. 5. Check if there are any pending updates. If so, please download and install the software update to see if it takes effect. Method 6 is to restore the phone to factory settings. In the case where none of the above solutions can't update your phone, factory reset may be the last option. It will be able to solve the situation of Android phone isn't getting updates. But factory reset will delete all data in the Android phone and restore it to its original factory state. So before resetting, make sure you have backed up all important data if necessary. Now, you can follow the steps below to factory reset your Android device. Next, please click on the settings of the phone. After entering the settings, find and click on General Management. Find the Reset option on the General Management interface. Click on the Reset option and then find and click on Restore Factory Settings. Please confirm again. Finally, your device will restart after some time. Once the process is completed, it means that all data on the Android phone has been wiped. You need to check whether the App Store can start downloading the app normally and download it successfully. Method 7 is to find an official service center to update your phone. If you have performed all the above fixes, your Android phone still cannot update. Please go to the official mobile phone service center for help. Older Android devices may no longer receive updates, and you may need to purchase a new device if needed. That's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful and think we did a good job, please like, share and tell us which method helped you solve the problem in the message area. At the same time, if you think there is anything we need to improve, you can also express your opinions and suggestions in the message area. Thanks. Good luck.